Hey guys, welcome back to Tools on a Budget. Today's just a quick little pickup. I picked up this Icon Professional mini screwdriver set. It's a 4-piece set, model number MSD4. Magnetic tips. You get 2 slotted, 2 Phillips. The slotted comes in 1/8 of an inch and 3/16 of an inch. And for Phillips, you get a number 0 and a number 1. I was hoping it came with a double 0, because I was trying to upgrade the hard drive on my Steam Deck. And I purchased the Channellock made in USA. In fact, let me get them 1 second. All right, so I'm back. Yeah, so these are the ones I picked up to do that. I assumed they were going to be pretty good because they're made in USA and Channellock makes pretty good tools. But all these did was strip out the bolts. I ended up having to open it with just a basic generic, those blue Harbor Freight ones. They're like the Pittsburgh Pro. They're like the blue rubber handles and the red rubber handles for the slotted. I ended up using some of those, and then I noticed they had this, so I decided I'm gonna pick it up and give it a try. Since I do some laptop repair on the side and stuff, might as well see how these work. So yeah, let me shake the back. It does come with a precision machine vapor blasted magnetic tip, ergonomic lobe handle, tip type printed on handle for easy identification. It looks like it comes with one of the little snap-on cases. This does have a lifetime guarantee. Designed by an Icon in the US and made in Taiwan. Let's go ahead and open it. Let's see. So it does come in a fancy little box. Very reminiscent of how the snap-on tools look. How they come in their little blow-molded cases and stuff. Oh, it has like a little reinforcement card in it. You could take it out. I mean, some people don't even use these blow-molded cases. I like to keep them in there just because it looks kind of cool. These were $19.99. So I believe sometimes you can get like the 25% Icon coupon, putting them at like $15. At $15, I think that's a great deal. And these do feel quite nice. They don't feel that cheap at all. I mean, they don't feel cheap. Yeah, they look pretty nice. I just don't like that they copy the snap-on. The handles look too much like the snap-on, but I mean, some people like that. But I feel like they should just make their own handle, not just copy someone else's work. But I mean, like they say, if it ain't broke, why fix it, right? So they do feel pretty good. For $20, it's not bad. They probably could have thrown in a few other little ones, like a double 0, or some of the smaller ones, but it's not bad. You do get the 4 of them, because I think I got this one was like $18, and it has 5. It does have that double 0 I needed. Let me pull one out so you compare them. Yeah, I didn't really like these too much. Usually I have pretty good luck with the Channellock stuff. I do have some other pliers, and they're pretty good, but I don't know, for some reason these didn't come out too good. There you go. So I guess this is the equivalent. This one is longer, so you probably like half an inch. And I really don't like these. I think it's called like acetylene handles. They're cool. They remind me a lot of the Craftsman, but I feel like they're a little outdated. Something with like oil resistance grip is probably a little better. Pretty sure this is oil resistant. The box didn't say, but let me check. It just says corrosion resistance and easily wipes clean. Nothing about oil, but I've had quite a few of the Icon tools, and the handles seem to be oil resistant. At least it seems that way. So it is marked there, plus, but it doesn't really say if it's. Yeah, so I assumed it would say what. See how this one says P021A. I guess they don't really tell you whether it's a. Well, this one does say P0, so that means it's a number 0 Phillips. But this one, they just have a plus on there. Nothing too specific, but I mean, overall, pretty cool little set. I gotta try them out, see how they feel. See all the tips, see how they hold up. That's the most important thing right there. I hate when the tips aren't that great and they strip. So I gotta check the fitment and all that. So I'll let you guys know, see if they perform up to expectations. I mean, they're not expensive, but they're also not cheap, you know. If you really wanted to, you could buy this for like a couple bucks anywhere, but this was 20, so you know, you expect it to perform a little bit better, and hopefully they do. But they feel solidly built. They don't feel cheap or chintzy. Yeah, so only time will tell. So there you guys go. Just remember, this was just a quick video. Oh, also I picked up before I close the video, I picked up these Doyle wire cutters. I like the Pittsburgh ones, the ones that are red, but they feel a little bit cheaper, and I picked these up because they felt a little bit more sturdy. Sometimes when you're squeezing hard, they feel like they're gonna like jump over over each other, you know, like cheap pliers. But the metal on these is a lot better. Like, I can squeeze as hard as I want, and it doesn't feel like they're bending that much, as opposed to the other ones that feels like I'm gonna break them every time I squeeze decently hard. So we'll see how long. I mean, wire cutters, there's nothing really special about them except for how they feel, and these feel pretty good. Time will tell. Like I said, these probably end up falling off like every other tool I have, but other than that, they seem pretty good. I think I got these for like $8, I want to say, or $9. I don't even remember. I'm gonna have to double check. I can leave a link in the description if you guys are interested. Yeah, but they seem pretty good. So that's pretty much it for today. Thank you guys for tuning in, and hope you guys liked the video. If you do, don't forget to leave a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed, go ahead and hit the subscribe button if you're interested in more content like this. And stay tuned. I have a few more videos coming up. And have a great day.